Why don't you go to the hospital?
I can negotiate with the auto drivers. I can bargain at the local market. But put me in a hospital and suddenly I become quiet.
Why though?
The receptionist asks one question and the doctor asks another. I'm looking for someone to translate.
If that sounds familiar, this episode is for you. Let's learn Kannada to communicate with hospitals and clinics.
The first challenge begins at the reception desk.
And the first question is usually
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
you've reached the hospital. Now what?
I need to see a doctor.
Then say, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅವರನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
What if I don't know what's wrong?
Start with the basics. ನನಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Too much screen time.
Too many deadlines.
Too less sleep.
Headache.
ನನಗೆ ತಲೆನೋವು.
The doctor gives you prescription.
Now you need medicine.
Ask medical store ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Medical store ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ.
Never pretend you understood the prescription if you didn't.
That's actually a good advice. Ask ಈ ಔಷಧಿ ಹೇಗೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು.
The treatment is done.
Now comes the scary part.
The bill.
Exactly. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ. And before leaving, don't forget, bill ಕೊಡಿ.
You'll need it later.
Oh, and after all the help, don't forget to thank them.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
No, even better. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. See you next time on
Learn Kannada with News Trail.
If this resonated with you, follow News Trail for similar content.